Assalamu alaikum students, I am your teacher and welcome to our channel Learners Academy. So today we will discuss about adjectives. So before discussing our topic, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of my channel. Okay, so let's start. Adjectives. What is adjectives? Definition: an adjective is a part of a speech which describes, identifies or qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Example: he was wearing a blue shirt. There are 7 rooms in the house. So what is an adjective? Adjective is a part of a speech which describes, which modifies noun or pronoun. Adjective ऐसा पार्ट है स्पीच का जो नाउन और प्रोनाउन को आइडेंटिफाई करता है, उसकी खूबियाँ उसकी बुराइयाँ मॉडिफाई करता है. ठीक है, उनके अंदर कमेंट्स आ गए, नेगेटिव कमेंट्स भी आ गए और पॉजिटिव कमेंट्स भी आ गए. ठीक है, ही वॉज वेयरिंग अ ब्लू शर्ट. तो यहाँ पर जो ब्लू है वो नाउन को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है कि भाई जो शर्ट है वो ब्लू कलर की है. देयर आर 7 रूम्स इन द हाउस. सो हेयर 7 इज़ मॉडिफाइंग द रूम्स and the 7 is telling us there is not a single room. There are 7 rooms in the house. Kinds of adjectives. There are different kinds of adjectives and these are descriptive adjectives or adjective of quality. These adjectives are used to describe the nature of the noun. They give an idea about the characteristic of the noun by answering the question what kind. This type of adjective is describe the nature of noun. ये nature को बयान करता है किसकी? noun की. ये हमें idea देता है एक noun का किसके जवाब से what kind, किस किस्म की चीज़ का आंसर देता है हमें. ठीक है, अब वो क्या है? honest, kind, large. ही इज़ वेरी ऑनेस्ट मैन. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, ही इज़ वेरी ऑनेस्ट मैन. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऑनेस्ट है. तो वो क्या कर रहा है, किस तरीके का इंसान है, किस किस्म का इंसान है, तो हम आंसर दें ही इज़ ऑनेस्ट मैन. तो हम कह रहे हैं कि भाई वो तो बहुत अच्छा इंसान है. काइंड, ब्यूटीफुल, अगली एट्सेट्रा एंड शैला इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल वूमन. सो यहाँ पर ब्यूटीफुल वूमन किस काइंड की, मतलब किस तरीके की वो गर्ल है, वो बहुत खूबसूरत है. गर्ल नॉट अ, इट्स अ वूमन. वो कैसी वूमन है. सो Adjectives of quantity. These adjectives help to show the amount or the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. These adjectives do not provide exact numbers, rather they tell us the amount of the noun in relative or whole terms. It does not describe the exact numbers, but it tell about the quantity. Example: all, half, many, there are many people in the party, and enough, that's enough. अब ये कहते तो नहीं कहेंगे कि हम भाई ये 2 नंबर इनफ है, नहीं, बट डेट्स इनफ या 2 इनफ, 3 इनफ. नो. फ्यू, बहुत सारे लोग थे भाई, कुछ थे, लिटिल, थोड़ा. यहाँ पर नंबर यूज़ नहीं किया. ठीक है. नाउ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ क्वांटिटी. So these adjectives are used to show the number of noun and they are placed in order. There are 3 different sections in it. One is definite numeral adjective. These those which clearly denote an exact number of a noun or the order of noun. 1, 2 or it's also known as cardinals. And first, second, third is known as ordinals. So 1, 2, 3 is cardinals and first, second, third is ordinals. So it is the type of adjective of quantity and it shows the exact number of the noun or the order of noun. ठीक है. Now indefinite numeral adjective. Those adjectives that do not give an exact numerical amount but just give a general idea of the amount. These are some, many, few, any, several, etc. Example: there were many people present at the meeting. So distributive numeral adjective. Those adjectives that are used to refer to individuals, noun, which the whole amount, either, neither, each, another, other, etc. Taxes have to be paid by every employed citizen. It is about the individual's noun in a whole amount. Okay. इट इज़ नॉट अनदर काइंड ऑफ एडजेक्टिव, इट इज़ द काइंड ऑफ द क्वांटिटी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव. ठीक है, ये कोई अलग से काइंड नहीं है. नाउ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. These adjectives are used to point out or indicate a particular noun or pronoun using the adjectives. It is used to point out a noun. It shows, or it's we can say it is a hashtag of the noun. It show or it point out or it highlights the noun or pronoun. So these are this, that, these, and those. That bag belongs to Neil. Try using this paintbrush in art class. This is the demonstrative adjectives. Now I really like those shoes. Those shoes, it is an adjective. Demonstrative adjectives. Oh, now possessive adjectives. A possessive adjective expresses possession of a noun by someone or something. Possessive adjectives are the same as possessive nouns. It is almost or we can say 100% same as the possessive noun, because in possessive noun there were my, मेरा, your, आपका. तो ये क्या था कि भाई वहाँ पर ये डिफ़ाइन करा था पोजेसिवनेस को कि भाई हक जताना है किस्म का. अब पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स हैं वो भी सेम एज द पोजेसिव नाउन. देयर इज़ नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन द पोजेसिव नाउन एंड पोजेसिव adjectives. Okay, our dog is black. All the possessive adjectives are listed below. Singular and they are singulars are my, your, his, her, its, and the plural is our, your, and their. Now interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used to ask questions about noun or in relation to noun. They are where, what, which, or, and whose. Where did he say he was going? What assignment did I missed out? Which is your favorite author? So interrogative adjectives are the kind of adjective which is used to ask questions about noun or it is and it can be related to the noun. ये ऐसे interrogative adjectives ऐसे adjectives हैं जो यूज़ होते हैं कैसे सवाल करने के लिए. where, what, which और whose, कहाँ, क्या, कौन सी, किसका. नाउ उसने क्या कहा था कि वो कहाँ जा रहा है, कौन सी असाइनमेंट मैंने मिस कर दी है और कौन सा तुम्हारा फेवरेट ऑथर है. सो देयर इज़ I have discussed about the adjective and kind of adjectives, and I am repeating, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon of my channel.